Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we have something special down here at Birdland this evening. A recording for Blue Note Records.
Dance as we dip in the melodic sea. Rhythm keeps flowing and drips to MC. Sweet sugar pop, rocks and pop. You don't stop till the sweet beat drops. I shall improve as I stick and move. Vivid poems recited on top of the groove. Smooth mind, floating like a butterfly. Notes set afloat, sung like a lullaby. Brace yourself as the beat hits ya. Dip, trip, flip, fantasia. What's that? Diddy diddy bop. Yeah. Diddy diddy bop. Funky, funky. Feel the beat drop, jazz and hip hop. Dripping in your dome, it's a zone and bop. Funk confusion, a fly illusion. Keeps you coasting on the rhythm you're cruising. Up, down, round and round, rhymes profound, but nevertheless you got to get down. Fantasy freak through the beat so unique, you move your feet and sweat from the heat. Back to the fact, I'm the Mac and I know that. The way I kick the rhyme, someone call me a poet. Poem steady flowing, growing, showing sights and sound. Caught in the groove, invitation I'm found. Many tripped and tore upon the rhymes they soared to an infinite height, to the realm of the hardcore. Here we go, off I take ya. Dip, trip, flip, fantasia. What's that? Diddy diddy bop. Funky, funky. What's that? Diddy diddy bop. Yeah. Diddy diddy bop. Funky, funky. Jump to the jam, boogie woogie jam slam. Bust the dialect, I'm the man in command. Come flow with the sounds of the mighty mic master. Rhyming on the mic, I'm bringing suckers to disaster. Buku ducks, but I still rock Nike. With the razzle dazzle, a star I might be. Scribble, jabble, scrabble on the microphone, I babble as I fix the funky words into a puzzle. Yes, 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 on and on as I flex. Get with the flow, birds manifest. Feel the vibe from here to Asia. Dip, trip, flip, fantasia. Ow, you don't stop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me more of that funky horn. What's that?
Папа, ну
Да.
как тебе? Ты теперь летчик?
Да. Слушай, это, конечно, кайф.
Да? Тебе понравилось? Ну, день рождения.
Спасибо. Да, очень круто, очень. Это что-то с чем-то. Лиза, давай. Очень круто, это даже передать нельзя на самом деле. Я практически все это время управлял, поэтому классно. Классно.